I mentioned a while ago how important communication is to freelancing, right? Actually, it's one of the most important skills, no matter what your niche or experience level. Why? Kasi po, most of our clients are international clients, di ba? From US, Australia, ganyan, Europe, meron din sa Asia, but I have yet to experience working with Asian clients. Pero meron. Yes. Usual questions. Sorry. Usual questions, especially from our beginners. What if hindi po fluent sa English? It's a very common concern, and sa totoo lang, you don't need to be fluent in English to succeed in freelancing. Especially if you choose the right niche or type of work. Okay? Marami pong clients, they care more about results than perfect grammar. Right, totoo po yun. Parang dito lang naman kasi sa Philippines, 'di ba, medyo big deal ang English proficiency, lalo na kung customer service yung gusto mong pasukan. But for foreign clients, sorry, but for foreign clients kasi, being conversational is more than enough. As long as naiintindihan mo sila, yung instructions nila, you are polite and professional, and when you can simply express yourself kahit hindi perfect yung grammar, you are good to go.